This is how you install the arm. You see a screw with like a square thing like this. Square thing like this, see? A square like this. You can see it. Okay, so basically you just, and the rubber like this as well. So basically you just, it's a little bit tricky, so you need to put the screw, go over the rubber is in the middle. Rubber is in the middle, and then push. Okay, this is one, and need this. So, like this. Just keep twisting. Okay, just keep twisting. Until lock. Until lock. See? After lock. Like this. Until lock. So can be left and right, so it doesn't matter. Like say now it's on my left hand side, and then now I change to right hand side. Same thing. So see, just push. Okay, now it's the other way around. Then lock. See? You just need to find a screw that is just square top. A little, cannot focus. Got a square like this. Later I'll send you a picture lah. Okay, you just put in the middle. You can see like this part here, left and right got a square, so it's fit with this.